Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Please ensure that you're gas safe registered with Gas Safe to carry out work on a commercial appliance. This is a Hamworthy UR300. It's an 88.8 kilowatt appliance. That's its input, 88.8 kilowatts. There's our little wiring center. Our burner bar. We have our test point for the burner pressure here. Ensure that the gas supply has been isolated before you connect onto here. We have our thermocouple, our gas valve, our interrupter leads. It's connected to the thermostat, so when the thermostat reaches temperature, it will tell the gas valve to return to pilot, to standby. But if it is tripped, the high limit is tripped, high limit thermostat, you have to press this button to reset it. But when that is activated, it shuts, it completely knocks out the pilot. Okay, we've got the pilot tube here. I hope that's helped you. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye.